studying your last two. I swim with tea when they turned in. The staring out to mute and can learn to pull that sunky died.
In this final section of the course, we'll introduce one of the most valuable resources available to tax preparers and employees, the CRA Guide T4044, Employment Expenses. While this course has explained the overall rules and process for claiming employment expenses, Guide T4044 is the CRA's official reference that provides detailed guidance, explanations, and examples for a wide range of employment expense situations. At the top of the slide, we see the official CRA Guide T4044 being used by both an employee and a tax preparer. This illustration emphasizes that the guide is intended to help anyone preparing or reviewing employment expense claims. Whether you are learning the rules for the first time or dealing with a more complex situation, the guide serves as an authoritative source of information directly from the CRA. On the left side of the slide is the guidebook itself, with tabs representing many of the major topics covered throughout this course. These include vehicle expenses, home office expenses, travel expenses, office supplies, employment expenses for commissioned employees, and other deductible employment expenses. Instead of searching through multiple sources, the guide brings all of these topics together in one official reference. Because the guide is published by the CRA, it explains the rules that tax preparers should follow when determining whether an expense qualifies for deduction. It also provides practical examples and detailed explanations that can help clarify situations where the rules may not be immediately obvious. On the right side of the slide, we see a tax preparer using the guide alongside a laptop and calculator while preparing a tax return. The message here is simple. Whenever you are uncertain about an employment expense rule, consult Guide T4044. Rather than relying on assumptions or memory alone, referring to the official CRA guidance helps ensure that employment expense claims are prepared correctly. The workflow at the bottom of the slide illustrates how the guide fits into the preparation process. When a question arises, the next step is to consult Guide T4044. After reviewing the CRA's explanation, you gain a better understanding of the applicable rules and can then prepare a more accurate employment expense claim. This process helps reduce mistakes and gives tax preparers greater confidence when dealing with unfamiliar expense categories or more complicated employment situations. The memory tip at the bottom summarizes the purpose of the guide in one simple sentence. T4044 explains the CRA's rules for employment expenses. It is not just another publication, it is the CRA's official reference for understanding how employment expense deductions should be applied. The key takeaway from this slide is that Guide T4044 should be viewed as your primary reference whenever you need clarification about employment expense deductions. While training courses provide the overall framework and practical examples, the CRA Guide provides the detailed explanations, official interpretations, and additional examples that help you apply the rules correctly in real-world situations. By making Guide T4044 part of your regular tax preparation process, you can prepare employment expense claims with greater accuracy, confidence, and consistency. Now that we've introduced CRA Guide T4044, let's take a closer look at the information it contains. Think of this guide as a complete reference manual for employment expenses. Whenever you need more detail about a specific topic, the guide provides the CRA's official explanations, examples, and guidance. At the center of the slide is an open copy of Guide T4044. Each section of the guide represents an important area of employment expenses that tax preparers may encounter while preparing income tax returns. The guide begins with vehicle expenses. This section explains when vehicle expenses may be deductible, the conditions that must be met, how employment use percentages are determined, and the types of records that employees should maintain to support their claims. Another major topic is home office expenses. The guide explains the eligibility requirements for claiming workspace expenses, identifies the expenses that may qualify for deduction, and discusses how to calculate the employment use portion of home office costs. The guide also includes information about travel expenses. It explains when travel costs incurred while performing employment duties may be deductible, and distinguishes between eligible travel expenses and personal commuting costs that are generally not deductible. For employees who earn commission income, the guide contains a dedicated section explaining the additional employment expense rules that apply specifically to commission salespeople. It outlines the eligibility requirements, the expenses that may qualify, and the limitations that apply to these claims. Other sections discuss office supplies and additional employment expenses that employees may be required to pay while carrying out their work responsibilities. Each topic includes explanations designed to help taxpayers determine whether a particular expense qualifies under the CRA's rules. The guide also explains employment allowances, including situations where employees receive reimbursements or vehicle allowances from their employers. These sections help tax preparers understand how reimbursements and allowances may affect the deductibility of employment expenses. Another important part of the guide covers Forms T2200 and T777. It explains the purpose of each form, when they are required, and how they fit into the overall employment expense claim process. The guide also discusses eligible employment expenses and provides examples of expenses that are generally not deductible. These explanations help tax preparers avoid common mistakes by distinguishing between deductible employment costs and personal expenses that cannot be claimed. In addition, Guide T4044 includes guidance on record keeping and filing requirements. It explains which documents should be retained, what records should be kept to support employment expense claims, and what information employees may need to provide if the CRA requests additional documentation. On the left side of the slide, we see an employee asking a question. This represents a situation that every tax preparer experiences from time to time. When an unfamiliar situation arises or the rules seem unclear, the next step should be to consult the guide rather than relying on assumptions. On the right side, the guide provides answers. This illustration reinforces an important principle. The CRA Guide explains the official rules and includes practical examples that help tax preparers apply those rules correctly. The reminder at the bottom summarizes the role of the guide. Use it whenever you need additional details beyond basic training. While this course provides the overall framework for preparing employment expense claims, Guide T4044 offers the detailed explanations needed to handle more complex or unfamiliar situations with confidence. The key takeaway from this slide is that Guide T4044 is much more than a list of rules. It is a comprehensive reference covering employment expense eligibility, deductible expenses, required forms, documentation, record keeping, filing requirements, and practical examples. By becoming familiar with its contents, tax preparers can quickly locate reliable answers and prepare employment expense claims that are accurate, consistent, and fully aligned with the CRA's guidance. This final slide brings together everything we've learned about using CRA Guide T4044 during the preparation of employment expense claims. Rather than memorizing every rule, professional tax preparers know where to find reliable information when questions arise. The CRA Guide T4044 serves as that trusted reference throughout the tax preparation process. The workflow begins with reviewing the client's information, Every employment expense claim starts by understanding the client's employment situation. This includes reviewing the client's T4 slip, discussing their employment duties, understanding the expenses they personally paid, and determining whether they may qualify to claim employment expenses. If any uncertainty arises during this review, the next step is to consult CRA Guide T4044. Instead of relying on assumptions or incomplete information, refer directly to the official CRA Guide to understand the applicable rules. The guide contains detailed explanations, definitions, eligibility requirements, and practical examples that help tax preparers interpret the CRA's requirements correctly. After identifying the relevant section of the guide, the next step is to apply the CRA's rules to the client's specific circumstances. This includes reviewing the signed Form T2200, examining supporting receipts, verifying eligibility, confirming whether expenses were reimbursed, and determining which expenses are deductible under the CRA's guidelines. Once the rules have been applied correctly, prepare the employment expense claim by completing Form T777 and transferring the allowable deduction to the employee's T1 income tax return. Following the guidance in T4044 helps ensure that the calculations are accurate, the documentation is complete, and the claim is prepared in accordance with the CRA's expectations. The final result is a confident, well-supported employment expense claim. When tax preparers use the CRA's official guidance throughout the preparation process, they can be more confident that the return has been completed accurately and that the supporting documentation is consistent with the CRA's published requirements. On the right side of the slide is a best practices checklist that summarizes the habits of successful tax preparers. Begin by reading the section of Guide T4044 that applies to the client's situation. Next, confirm that the employee meets all eligibility requirements before claiming any deduction. Review the CRA's examples to better understand how the rules are applied in practice, especially when dealing with unfamiliar situations. The checklist also reminds us to verify that all supporting documentation is available before completing the claim. This includes reviewing the signed T2200, receipts, mileage logs, home office calculations, reimbursement records, and any other relevant documentation. Finally, apply the correct CRA rules and retain all supporting records after filing the return. The workflow at the bottom reinforces this simple decision-making process. Whenever a question arises, consult CRA Guide T4044. The guide explains the CRA's rules, which can then be applied to prepare an accurate employment expense claim and complete the tax return correctly. The final message at the bottom captures one of the most important lessons for every tax preparer. Whenever you are uncertain about an employment expense rule, consult CRA Guide T4044. It is the CRA's official reference for employment expenses and should always be your first source when clarification is needed. As we conclude this employment expenses module, remember that successful tax preparation is not about memorizing every detail. It is about understanding the overall process, maintaining accurate documentation, applying the CRA's rules consistently, and knowing where to find authoritative guidance when questions arise. By combining the knowledge you've gained throughout this course with the official guidance found in CRA Guide T4044, you will be well prepared to complete employment expense claims accurately, confidently, and in full compliance with the CRA's requirements.